In this video, you'll learn how to add the Pinterest tag to a Bluehost site using WordPress. We'll go step by step so you understand not just what to click, but why you're doing each part. By the end, your Pinterest base code will be properly installed and ready to start tracking activity on your website. Let's start inside your WordPress dashboard, which is the main control center for your site. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side, find the option labeled Plugins, and hover your mouse over it. A small submenu will appear. Click on Add New. This is where you can search for and install new plugins that extend your site's functionality. At the top right of this page, you'll see a search bar. Type in WP code and wait a moment for the results to load. The plugin you're looking for is called WP Code Insert Headers and Footers, or something very similar. This plugin makes it easy to safely add code to your site without editing theme files directly, which helps you avoid technical errors. Once you see the correct plugin in the list, click the Install Now button. WordPress will download and install it for you. After installation is complete, that button will change to Activate. Click Activate to turn the plugin on. This step is crucial. If the plugin isn't activated, it won't run on your site and your Pinterest tag won't be added. Now that WP Code is active, you'll notice a new item in your WordPress menu on the left, usually called Code Snippets. Hover over there, then click on Header and Footer. This section is designed specifically for adding code that needs to appear in the header or footer of every page on your site. You should now see two main text boxes or sections, one labeled Header and one labeled Footer. For the Pinterest tag, you'll be using the Header section. Before you paste anything, make sure you've already copied your Pinterest base code from your Pinterest account. Pinterest typically gives you a full script block that starts with a script tag and ends with a closing script tag. It's important to copy the entire block exactly as Pinterest provides it, without changing anything. Click inside the header box and paste the Pinterest base code there. Take a quick moment to scan what you've pasted and confirm that it looks complete. You don't need to understand every line of the code, but you do want to make sure nothing is missing at the beginning or end. Once the code is in place, scroll down and look for the button that says Save Changes. Click that button to apply your changes to the site. This saves your Pinterest tag into the header of every page, which is how Pinterest will be able to track visits and actions across your site. After saving, your Pinterest base code is now live on your Bluehost hosted WordPress site. From here, you can return to your Pinterest account later to verify that the tag is working and start setting up events or tracking conversions as needed. That's all you need to do to add the Pinterest tag using WP Code and WordPress.